And furthermore, it's not even just about your environment. It's about the environment as a whole. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you got to take care of this damn earth, man. This the only earth we got, man. You know what I'm saying? As far as we know. But as far as we gonna experience in our lifetime, we got to take care of this thing, man.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune. Fair.
It's good, people. Coming back at you with another video. You know what I'm saying? Taking the stroll. You know what I mean? And let me just show you something right quick, man. Check this out. See that? Somebody just threw a trash bag with trash in it. Just left it right on the ground, man. Left it right on the ground. You know what I'm saying? And people wonder why certain environments, you know, are deemed to be of low value. You know what I'm saying? Wonder why, you know, your property value ain't worth nothing. You know, and then want to complain about stuff like gentrification. Now, I ain't giving it a pass saying that is all right, but man, if you don't take care of your own environment, and somebody who sees the untapped potential in your environment that you could care less about, and they come in and take advantage of that, then whose fault is it really? You know what I'm saying? The person for having the vision, or you for being blind. And furthermore, it's not even just about your environment. It's about the environment as a whole. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you got to take care of this damn earth, man. This the only earth we got, man. You know what I'm saying? As far as we know. But as far as we gonna experience in our lifetime, we got to take care of this thing, man. You know, people used to see me saving bottles and cardboard and cans and stuff like that, and they always ask, man, how much they paying at the recycle thing for the, and I just look at them like, you don't even realize this ain't even about the money. You know what I'm saying? This about taking care of where I live. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of this planet. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta respect the planet, man. This planet is a living, breathing organism also. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like pollution. I don't like, you know what I'm saying? I try to recycle as much as I can. I try to keep my waste low as possible. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people say, well, man, if I do it, it won't matter. It do matter. You know what I'm saying? Because just think about it. If everybody think like you, then of course nothing won't get done. But if one person decide to do something, then another person decide to do something, you know, then it becomes a collective. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take care of the planet, respect the planet. You know what I'm saying? You gotta respect the ground, respect the trees, respect nature. Because this planet is what take care of us. We get everything that you see ever created came from the planet. It either came from an element, you know what I'm saying? These structures came from wood and, you know, gravel, cement, things of that nature. Things that come from deep within the planet. You know what I'm saying? Water we drink, supplied by the planet. And it's, you know, in this cycle. You know, in this cycle, man. You know what I'm saying? So take care of the fucking planet, man. Stop, you know, take care of your environment. Respect your environment. And you know, the way you respect your environment shows how you respect yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you live around trash and clutter and you allow it, you know, especially directly within your inner circle, then that show how much you care about yourself and and your stuff around. I like to be. I've been a neat freak all my life. You know what I'm saying? I don't like clutter. I don't like, things being messy and unorganized and all over the place. I don't like trash. You know what I'm saying? Cleanliness is next to godliness, man. You know what I'm saying? So, man, just keep that in mind, man. Take care of yourself. Take care of the planet. Take care of your environment. You know what I'm saying? And, man, just stay on your grind. Keep going. Don't let nobody stop you. You don't need the validation from nobody but yourself. Until next video, man, I'll holler. Peace. Love.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune.